Hey, what's going on? Dom here with another DIY. Today we're working on my friend's 2015 RCF, Lexus RCF. We're installing some winglets on the front bumper. You can see one is already installed there. We're working on the other one because his original front lip took a little beating on 95. You know, that's what happens when you go a little bit above the speed limit, I suppose. So we're changing them out for these winglets here. This is my buddy George, J Squared.
Hey everyone.
And we're putting on these winglets here. He wasn't too happy with the kind of shovel kind of look, the shovelish look on the front of the car. So we're changing it up. I'll post some pictures in the video so you can see the before without any lip, after when he had that lip on it. And then you can see now we did one side, it came out pretty good. It's got that carbon fiber to it. It wraps around. And it's a quick install, very, very quick and easy from underneath. We already tapped in some screws. We put on some Gorilla two-sided heavy bond tape. So from underneath, we're just gonna tap into some screws here that we've already attached. We pre-drilled into the winglet. All right, so we got it lined up. We tapped one screw in already. Again, we've got some heavy bond 3M, Gorilla tape in there. All right, so we got it in place. As I said, 4 screws underneath on each side. Some of that Gorilla tape that we use, which holds really well. This is a Gorilla mounting tape that we use. It should work. He's very satisfied with how it looks. So am I. My first time putting on a winglet. But we gave a little tiny gap right in there so you can get a towel in between when you're cleaning. But overall, I think it works well. As opposed to the full lip that he had once before, which took a little beating. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's not my car. It's a nice car though. It's very well kept, very well maintained. It's in great shape. Has some modifications there that he's put in some skirts and some more carbon fiber. It's raining out here today, so we only have it halfway in the garage. J Squared. A few custom additions there, which look nice. But I think this is gonna add to the flair to the vehicle on the front side. So yeah. Stay tuned for the next video coming up. I got some stuff I'm doing on the Honda back there, and definitely my 335 way in the distance. All right, guys. Thank you much. Thanks for the support. We'll see you soon.